Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to protect your Google Sheet. So as you can see on my screen, I have sheet 1, which I want to protect. So all I need to do is click on this down arrow. You can see protect sheet option over here. Just click on it, and then you will see two options over here. First one is entire sheet, and then second one is the range which you want to protect. So in my case, I want to protect the entire sheet. If you want to protect only specific range, what you can do is click on range and then select this data range, and then now select how many rows or columns you want to protect, and then click on OK. Now it will protect the only the specific range, but in my case I want to protect the entire sheet. So what I'm gonna do is click on sheet, and then I click on set permissions, and then it will ask how many people can edit this range. I'll be giving the edit access to me. After selecting the person who can edit the sheet, click on done, then changes are made. Let's say if you want to delete, if you want to remove the protect range, then all you need to do is click on here, data, and then go to protect sheet and ranges. You can see here sheet 1 is reflecting. If you have multiple sheets, then it will reflect multiple sheets, and choose which sheet you want to remove the protection. Then click on it, and you can see delete symbol over here. Click on the delete, and then click on remove. You can see the lock symbol has gone from here. So similarly, if anybody has shared the protected sheet with you, so usually people protect sheets to save the data, because if there are n number of users are using the sheet, there might be chances of misplacing of the data wantedly or unwantedly. So that is why people tend to protect the sheet. So this is the sheet which was shared by someone else, and you can see there is a lock symbol over here. So if I want to edit, I cannot edit these details, only I can view. So you can see by going the data and then click on protect and range. As you can see, I have only view access to the sheet. So this is how you can protect and you can share the data with other users so that they cannot change. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much for watching.